Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So now we are going to discuss about Swami Vivekanand. Actually, it's Swami Vivekanand birth anniversary is about to come on 12th January. Okay, and every year we celebrate as a Youth Day Swami Vivekanand birth anniversary. Okay, so it's an very famous festival for youth. Okay, and actually Swami Vivekanand was a Hindu monk and philosopher. So means he has a very great story of all over the world. Okay, so actually he was a great person. So means every world known about the Swami Vivekanand or him. Okay, so now we are going to discuss some quotes and some slogans and some basic information about Swami Vivekanand. It will help you actually on this day on 12th of January. So many means programs in schools. It's just like we celebrate as a festival. Okay, in so many schools there are a program of Surya Namaskar. Okay, so just what's your knowledge about Swami Vivekanand? Basically I am telling you Swami Vivekanand full name or just main name was Narendranath, and his mother name was Bhuvneshwari Devi, and his father name was Vishwanath Dutt. Okay, basically Swami Vivekanand belong to Kolkata. Okay, and he was a disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about Swami Vivekanand. Just you have to share your information about Swami Vivekanand. You have to share your point of views. Okay, Harshit, what do you know about that? Just speak.
So Swami Vivekanand was born on 12 Jan 1863, and he was also the promoter of yoga in the western side, and he have a very good memory system compared to others, and on the age of 14 he can speak three languages: Sanskrit, English and Hindi.
Okay, so I agree with Harshit, and I also want to add my point. I have a quote which was said by Swami Vivekanand, in which he told that learn everything that is good from the others and absorb it in your way, but do not become others. It means that if you are finding anything very good in a bad person also, so absorb it in your way, but do not become that bad person, because it may affect your means your profile only. So be what you are, not what others are thinking about you.
Yes, I am agree with both Aradhya and her, and I want to add that Swami Vivekanand was very good person. As sir told, he was a Hindu monk, philosopher, and also he served he do some social work and serve people some things. He was done social work, and also I have a quote. I have a quote like learn as long as you live, because the best teacher is the experience. It means like if we learn something new and if we started to learn every day something new, so we can control everything and we can do everything very easily, because if we experience about it, so everything is very easy to do.
स्वामी विवेकानंद का एक हिंदी का फेमस कोट है, उठो जागो और, पता है आप लोगों को, उठो जागो और जब तक मत रुको जब तक आप अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त ना कर लो. मीन्स काफी फेमस कोट है स्वामी विवेकानंद का ये. ओके,
Vivekanand was great man of India, and we call him Narendra also, and we celebrate Youth Day as Swami Vivekanand birthday.
Okay, so Narendranath Dutt was a name which was kept because of his parents when he was born. And now let's talk about some things about Swami Vivekananda. He was a very good person. He was so much towards the yoga and Vedant, and he also gave a very groundbreaking speech on 1893 in the America World's Religious Parliament, and after that he also went England and Switzerland and also done so many things for the Hinduism. He was also towards religion, and he did so many things, and we can say that he is a God gifted person. And he also told that my mother is my inspiration since his childhood. And let's talk about some educational things. So he started, or he enrolled in Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar institution when he was 8 years old, and he ended or his studies or graduated in the Calcutta University. Thank you.
So I am agree with you. Swami Vivekananda was Hindu philosopher. Swami Vivekananda was Hindu monk and philosopher and a spiritual leader, and he was the disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans, and he had interested in Sanskrit subject, and in childhood his mother called him Narendranath Dutt, and he have interested on he have sharp mind and religious person.
So next I am telling about the about his family background. That he belongs from a middle class family, and his childhood passed from very difficulty because his father have a very low low money job.
Swami Vivekananda also helped in the in the making of reformed India. Like he helped a lot to the children who were forced to get into the marriage known as a child marriage, also known as a crime. And he also reformed many things, just like education and some prathas which were going on since Britisher came into the India. But he wanted that the India will get. He thought that India will get reformed fully, but it's not happening. So for that, we should make his wish done, because he was a person who gave us many things and taught us many things.
So as I know that Swami Vivekanand also gives some speeches and some things by which other person are very motivated, especially as I learned that in 1893 he gives so many speeches by people very motivated, and they are also very good speaker, a good speech person which give, and that.
Yes. Yes. Just sometimes Manvi is fumbling. Okay. Just you have to clear. Means what are you trying to say? Okay.
So first I want to tell you the birth name of Vivekanand, Swami Vivekanand. The birth name of Swami Vivekanand was Narendranath Dutt, and his father name was Vishwanath Dutt, and mother name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi, and he belonged to a Bengali family from Kolkata, and his teacher was Ramakrishna Paramhans, and he gave so many speech, and he gave a memorial speech in Chicago in 1863. 1893. He gave a memorial speech in 1893.
Not only these speeches, he also gave the speech on zero, and after understanding it, and he gave the speech on zero, and also he gave secret speech, and after returning to England, he also had the power to inspire many peoples. And not only he is famous in USA, he is also famous in abroad for because he expanded and done many things about yoga and Vedant, Karam Yogi, and he also become a sannyasi. And I think that he was one of the most inspiring and the person which can motivate the people, and he did so many things, and he is also a teacher. So I think that everyone should get some motivation and inspiration from him. Thank you.
Yes, I am agree with. He told he gave a lot of speech in other countries, and many people motivated with their speech, and they become successful person. from their speech.
So just we have completed this video. Okay. So actually we will remember Swami Vivekanand means every time. Okay, Swami Vivekanand was great man. Actually, just we all know that means he is a living person right now. Means like, actually so many educations provided by the Swami Vivekanand that we are following us. Okay. So just we have completed this session here. Goodbye.